Well, I think there can be no doubt that global warming is occurring. And there are good indications. Actually, it's more apparent in both the Arctic and the Antarctic than it is anywhere in between. Polar bears, I think, are in serious trouble. And there are some indications now of things occurring in the Antarctic with both seals, but really it seems to be more apparent with penguins than it does with the marine mammals. The question of is it human caused is a different issue. And maybe at some stage you'll want to come back to that. But right now I think it's problematic. But an interesting thing in that regard is how do the animals adapt to it? If you look at polar bears, and the little bit that I know in terms of evolution is they're apparently evolved from brown bears or grizzlies, and it occurred at the last ice age, 10,000 years ago. The issue of how do you save the basic genetics or the gene pool, doing it is important. How you do it is a different issue. Back again when I was in graduate school at Minnesota, I told you Al Erickson was a bear biologist. Another one of the people that we worked with was Ulysses S. Seal, who was at the Veterans Hospital in Minneapolis, and he was a biochemist. And one of the things that Erickson and he did was they did a cross between a brown bear and a black bear. All of the bears, or at least most of them, seem to hybridize quite readily. At 2 years old, the cubs from that cross were the biggest black bears you've ever seen. So I think it's an important thing to do is to maintain the genes if you can. And this is, again, in my view, one of the major functions of zoos. Whether or not you need to cross them, they'll probably do that on their own, but it won't be in my lifetime.